Hi friends and subscribers, this is Mahmoud Sheikh, and from past few videos I'm working on tutorial series on Java programming language. In my last video I did a small program where I discuss how to create variables and how to accept values from the user for performing some arithmetic calculations like adding two numbers. And in this video I will discuss about flow controls. And there are different types of flow controls like if else, if ladders. Okay, all these are different types of flow controls. Okay, and in this video I'll be discussing about simple if condition. Okay, so first let's try to understand how simple if works. Okay, so this is the flow diagram of if. So whenever we take a value from the user to evaluate, then we make a condition. We take the value from the user and we use that value inside a condition. Here inside the condition we will check that whether the value satisfies the condition or not. If that value satisfies the condition after performing some conditions here, if that value satisfies, then we will execute some block of code. Okay, otherwise we will come out of the if condition. Okay, so here what we are doing is we will be taking the value from the user and we will be testing that value in some condition. If the result of that condition is true, then we will be displaying, or we will be executing some block of code and we will be displaying some message to the user. Okay, if in case the condition gets false, then we will come out from that if condition and the program will get terminated. Okay, we will write a simple program using if condition, okay, here in our NetBeans editor. Okay, so for that let's first right click on our Java programs folder and then click on Java class and then simple if. Okay, and then hit enter. Okay, and now let's take our package import. Let's import our package, import java.io. Okay, so here you can see I'm importing the data input stream class, which I'll be using for taking the value from the user. Okay, so these are the different classes which are present inside input output package. Okay, so now let's put star. Okay, star means I can use any of the class present inside this input output stream. Okay, now let's public static void main and then string args. Okay, and then try. Okay, in my last video I already told why we should use catch statement. Okay, so I would just strongly recommend you to watch my previous video as well. System.out println okay, here teacher num. Okay, and then data input stream. Okay, and then data input stream. Okay, here we have created the object of our data input stream class, and then stream. Okay, here we will display a message to our system, to our users, to enter the number. Okay, enter the number. Okay, and then integer. Okay, here I'm storing the value that I'm getting from the user inside this num variable. Okay, and I will use an if condition. If num is greater than 10, okay, then system dot out dot print ln. Okay, simple if tutorial, save it. Okay, now let's see. Okay, now it's displaying build successful, and now let's run our file. Okay, then I will enter the number 20, and when I hit enter, it's display me a message as simple if tutorial. Okay, so here you can see I have created a simple program for learning if condition. Okay, so here with the first statement, here I have imported input outputs data input stream class. Okay, here you can see here I have created a variable num, and then I have used an data input stream. Here I have created the object of data input stream class, and then I have given a message to the user to enter the number, and that number I am storing inside this variable, and then I am using a simple if condition to check whether the entered value is greater than 10 or not. If the entered value is greater than 10, I'll be displaying an appropriate message to the user. Okay, so here I have enclosed this entire statements inside this try catch block, so that at any point of time during the execution, if I might come across with any error, then it will throw that error, it will catch that error, and it will display those errors to us. Okay, so this is everything about simple if condition in Java. I hope you like this video. I hope you got some useful information out of this video. If you like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And I will see you guys in my next video, where I'll be discussing about if else statement. Okay, so don't go anywhere guys. I will see you guys in my next video, and thanks for watching.